Good morning, students. Chapter number 4, Adaptation in Animals. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture classification of animals based on body structure, and we have discussed vertebrates, invertebrates, and adaptation to environment habitat. Student, we have discussed also terrestrial animals, and we have discussed also the features of a camel that help it adapt itself to the desert environment. Now in this lecture we will discuss next animals is a aquatic animals. You can see the name also, aquatic. Aqua means water. Okay, so aquatic animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. And this is a very easy topic. Everybody know aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. And you know, most aquatic animals have fins or paddle like flippers that help them to swim, like fish. And how a fish swim in a water, we have discussed also with the help of its fins. So most aquatic animals have fins or paddle like flipper that help them to swim. And you know, most aquatic animals breathe through their gills. Yes, student. Except, yes, dolphin and whales. They are mammals. But they live in water, and yes, student, they breathe through their lungs. Which animals? Dolphin and whale. So most aquatic animals breathe through their gills except dolphins and whales that breathe through lungs. Fish, turtles, seahorses, penguin, octopuses and crabs are the aquatic animals. So you can see the penguin diagram also. The penguin, they have the sharp eyes. Why? What is the function of the sharp eyes in a penguin? Yes, student. For hunting fish under water. So penguins बहुत सारे penguins है ना, तो penguins have sharp eyes for hunting fish underwater, and they have webbed feet also. Why? What is the function of the webbed feet? For swimming. Okay, next is a sharp bill to catching fish. You can see this is the sharp bill. You can see this is a sharp bill for catching fish, and the thick feathers to retain the body heat and keep warm. Thick feathers to retain the body heat and keep warm. Okay, so many feature in a penguin to survive in a cold region: sharp eyes, webbed feet, sharp bill and thick feathers. Now student, amphibians. What are amphibians? The animals that live in both land as well as in water, on land and in water. Animals like frogs, toads, salamanders that live both on land and water are called amphibians. When they live on land, they use lungs for breathing, and when they live in water, they use moist skin. Okay, so animals like frogs, toads, salamanders that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. You can underline, you can say this frog also, webbed feet frog. So animals like frog, toads, salamanders that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. They have lungs that help them to breathe on land and moist skin. They have the two types of the breathing organs, amphibians. lungs and skin. Most skin. Lungs, they use lungs when they live on land, and more skin that help them to breathe in water. And frogs and toads have strong hind legs. Hind legs means back legs. They have the strong back legs, and that enables to jump, and webbed feet that help them to swim in water. Frog and toads have the strong hind means back legs. You can see this diagram also. This is strong. This is the back leg, hind legs. So, frog and toads have strong back legs. And what is the function of this strong back legs? Yes, student, enables them to jump, and webbed feet, yes, that helps them to swim in water. Okay. Now student, next is arboreal animals. Those animals live mostly on trees are called arboreal. For example, squirrel, monkey, koalas, they live mostly on the trees. That's why they are called the arboreal animals. They have sharp claws and strong muscular limbs to climb up and down the branches of the trees. Have you seen monkey? They use their tails to hang onto the branches, and they have sharp claws, strong muscular limbs also. Why? Because they uses this muscular limb to climb up and down the branches of the trees. And monkey uses its tails also to hang on the branches. Okay, so these are the arboreal animals. Aerial means animals that fly and spend a lot of time in the air are called aerial animals. And they have the light body, light bones, hollow bones, and strong wings help them to fly in the sky. And except the flightless bird, the penguin, ostrich, kiwi, emu are aerial animals. They are the flightless bird. They cannot fly na, so that's why they are not aerial animals. So except kiwi, emu, penguin, all birds are aerial animals. Bats and insect also belong to this family. And you know, bats are mammals. Mammals can be fly. Only bat. All mammals are not. Mammals cannot fly in the sky, except bat. Bats are only mammals that can fly. The scientific name of the bats is Scaropetra. Okay, so we will discuss again this real word in next lecture, bats and the adaptation for production. And the bats only mammals that can fly. Okay, so you read this: amphibians, aerial, arboreal, aquatic. Okay, so I hope you understand. In next lecture we will discuss adaptation for protection. Okay students, take care, bye.